Everybody's having a good morning over here. We did just get some interesting data. We got the PPI. So we're going to look and see what other data we got coming on over here. But let's see what we got. So right here, we have the producer price index came in at 0.2% versus 0.4. Now, I think this is the tab where it goes over. Yes. So this is the tab that goes over what we were seeing previously on the previous PPI. So for the August PPI, the consensus was negative 0.1%. The actual was negative 0.1. For the September time period, we had a consensus of 0.2 and it came in at 0.4. For this time period, we had a consensus of 0.4 and it came in at 0.2. So technically it's a miss, but it's bullish for the market here, meaning that producer prices are not increasing as much as people expected. Year over year, I believe it was 8.3 versus 8.0. So that's some very interesting stats over here. And the market's reacting pretty positively to that. So the SPY is at 402.23. Apple's shooting up there, 152. It broke. Tesla trying to get back above 200 here. That could be an interesting level. Nancy's starting to run up here too. Today's going to be a fun day, team. Again, this is a public live. It is public live day over here. So if you guys wouldn't mind just murdering that like button on the way in, helps out a whole lot with the algorithms. We're going to be going over some of the Invictus stuff today. And I do have a little bit of an announcement for you guys in a little bit as well. So hopefully everybody's having a good morning. Any other economic data? Well, let's take a look at what else we're getting. Empire State Manufacturing. And then we get at 9 a.m., Lisa Cook speaks about underrepresented groups. And then Fed Harker speaks on the economic outlook. Then at 11, we get real household debt and real mortgage debt. So that's what we have coming up later today. SPY is starting to slowly make its way back down here. Let's see. Let's do it, man. Walmart had good earnings this morning. Oh, that's interesting. Walmart up 7%. Yeah, that's gonna help. What else was there? Lowe's? Was it Lowe's? Because I thought there was one more this morning that we needed to look at. Hold on. Earnings whispers. Here we go, team. What was it? Oh, Home Depot. That was the other one. Home Depot, not great. I mean, not terrible. It's only down 1.12. Check and see how they did. Home Depot beats estimates, reaffirms fiscal year 2022 guidance. So basically, no change. Then we have Krispy Kreme, nothing too crazy. 10-cent music. What's that? TME? I think that's a China company. And then tomorrow morning we have Lowe's, Target, TJX. After hours tomorrow, Nvidia. So watch the chip makers. Nancy's at 170. Holy fuck. Where's AMD? Did it break 80? Oh, come on, dude. Get my AMD back above 80. Come on. TSM going nuts due to Buffett. Ooh, what's that? TSM? I want to. Did Buffett take a position? Oh, Gabe's going to like that. Gabe's been talking a lot about this company here. Yeah, Tiger earnings tomorrow. Good morning, SB 1348. Follow the rules. Making moolah. Yup, dude. And now with Helmo that we have for you guys, turbocharged Invictus. Oh my lord. Get ready. You guys are going to be printed even more than you already are. All right, let's get Tessie over here and any other stocks that you guys want to take a look at. And this is something that we got to take a look at here too. 83% probability of a 50 basis point rate hike coming in December. That's interesting there. Oh, we're 5 likes away from 50 already. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. Yeah, this is a public live today, guys. So if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button on your way in, if you guys have not already, Apple running back up here. And then you still have this 405 level to contend with on the SPY. So we'll see what happens there, but that could be an interesting level that we're looking at going forward for that, for potential rejection here. 404.50, 405. Yeah, Jessica, we had a PPI and some earnings. You don't think Invictus will be alerting much today? Well, it might be if we see a giant reversal and then it can hit everything. So if Invictus starts firing off a little bit later in the day today, which, I mean, you're not going to probably see it at 10. You'll see it a little bit later in the day. That could be nasty. Your target's 407. That would be what is that, a fib, Squirrel, or is that a one of the moving averages that you have? Let's see. So, SPY does look like it wants to kind of go here. Let's see what happens with Apple here. If Apple can get up to like 154, 155, that would be kind of nutty. That would be kind of nutty. Look at the Fool's rally. Well, I think you're seeing the last kind of burst of it. Being over 400, though, is key. So 405 is even bigger. I mean, Tessie would have to get above 200. Apple above 155, 160. Nancy's already up at a crazy level, 170. Remember, we've been trading this thing since like 129. And then, good morning. How you doing, Diana? Diana with a 500% Invictus play yesterday. Fucking crazy person. 786 at 414. What's it from though? Like, where are you drawing it from? Is it from? Hey Vix, today will be day 13 of my 1% a day gains with 1348. Good luck all. Let's print some money. Dog, let's fucking do it, dude. Do I see Meta leap running or pulling back? We can take a look. I mean, it's probably running up with the market right now. It's just not the worst thing in the world. My long term is going to be having some fucking fun, which I almost want to just liquidate it. Like, I'll look at it at open, but I almost just want to liquidate the shit out of it. What ticker did Diane hit? It was SPY Invictus on the way down in the afternoon. It was nasty. I mean, yeah, Facebook 117. I think we did say target 120 on Facebook last week. I thought we were talking about Facebook and we were looking at it. I was like, yeah, we could see 120. Why was 120 in my mind on Facebook? This probably. This little double bottom here was probably why I was looking at 120. Maybe the 4 hours telling me something. Yeah, 4 hour 200s right around 122. Okay. Let's see. Top G is back. What's up, Faust? How you doing, buddy? The high of August 16th to the low of October 13th. Okay. Send DM. All right, let me take a look, Squirrel. Dude, I can't fuck you with these charts, bro. How am I supposed to read this? Oh, I can kind of see it. Dude, your charts, I can't do that. Your charts just confuse the fuck out of me. There's too much going on. SPY Shark. $122.61 is the 4 hour level. Yeah. SPY sharking a little there. What I really want to do is ditch my call hedges and then get longer dated puts off of this. This is what I'm looking for here. And leave a tiny portion of the call hedge to continue to go. But this will be interesting. This will be interessante. You think Meta is going to gap fill for the 129? That's pretty far. That's a giant move. That's another $10, I think, from where it's currently at. More, 12. That's pretty big. Be careful with that. And I don't even think that's what I think the gap is at like 140, dude. 128. You're right. Yeah, Apple flickering around. Let's see what we get. I'm probably going to be pretty patient today and really just wait for the potential reversal move down. The problem is you can just see it off open. It just goes, woo, death. So it's slowly chopping its way down right now. Did Webull finally have paper trading to desktop? Oh, I don't know. I don't think I've ever. Yeah, no, I've never had a paper trading options account. In the only times I've ever had like a paper account were like, one, I have the futures one that I'm dicking around with right now, and just to kind of get the feel for it. And then in like high school when we did like the stock picking challenge, which I won. The green line is the peak of all the 2022 runs. Red line support resistance. Trend line goes like 2008. Yeah, but there's so much on there, bro. Short seller reports dropping on Twist. Ooh, that thing could tank. Twist Bioscience. I mean, that's already out. Yeah, that's already out. Scorpion Capital. I think they did. I had to click paper trading disclosure. It's letting me. Oh yeah, I got that this morning too, where it was like you have to agree to some new thing. I didn't see it was on desktop though, which was weird. I was like, I don't know why they're sending this to me. I think they sent that one out to everybody. I think it had to do with options because there was something with like delayed data or some random shit in there. I was like, all right. Let's see. Nancy, look at that, bro. Apple looking good here, man. Facebook is what brought the market up. Look, no, it's not. No, it's not. The market and the reaction to CPI is what brought the market up. And then this morning was PPI. Facebook was not. It could have been a contributing factor, but it's not the reason why the market went up. I've been leading around the 4th. Yeah, but it was also lagging, so it almost caught up. Good morning, all. Thank you, SV, for being awesome. Diana, congrats. Lisa, I appreciate that. Cleaned it up just for you. Well, don't clean it up just for me. It just confuses the shit out of me. Yeah, I see the level there. Was it the 38? The 38 too? Okay. Public stream? Yes, sir, it is. That's what I meant. Good call. Contributing factor. Yes, that's what it is. But it's not really the main reason for why the market's been doing what it's doing. All right, SPY's slowly chopping its way down here. Apple's holding, which is interesting. You could see a little bit of action here on Apple at open. But with these moves in the morning, people, remember, you don't really want to be chasing these moves. If you've already been in and you had calls, cool. Secure the bag, make your money, and then honestly, I would be waiting for the reversal, potentially coming later. If it doesn't happen, whatever, it's okay. But team, you guys are killing it. Oh, Sam Bankman-Fried has tried to raise funds despite FTC or FTX bankruptcy. Fucking moron. How can I find out how much my option is worth before market opens so you can set your take profits now? You can go to options profit calculator and get a decent understanding. What you won't be able to calculate, though, is the percentage change in IV. Let's see. What? Let's see. Things are moving over here. Let's see what we get. This is going to be a fun day. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys haven't already. You guys are slaughtering it so far. I appreciate that on the public stream today. And yeah, we'll be talking about Invictus too. I do have a little announcement for some of you guys a little bit later too. Little baby one. I think a lot of you guys are going to like it. It's almost like the a million days of Christmas for you guys coming up. You never know if things could reverse hard. That's what I'm thinking is very possible. So what I'm probably going to look at doing is ditching the majority of my call hedges at open and then getting longer dated puts and just letting it go. That's what my expectation is, but we'll see. This moves BS. Economy still suck and it's at 400. This thing should be at 300. Well, we'll get there. Is it a car giveaway? No. That's a lot of days. I know it's a lot of days. All right, Apple. Let's see if you can break highs, make your way up to 154 or something. That'd be interesting. I love the preview we got of Platform. Looks really well thought out. Daily Taylor, I appreciate that. Yeah, Platform's coming very soon. It's pretty sick. Invictus was your boss yesterday. Invictus is going to be crazy today. Or when I say longer dated puts, are you thinking like next year? No. Still shorter time to expiration. But maybe long. I don't know. That's actually a good thought. Huh. Maybe I will do that. We'll see. Lisa, thank you so much for becoming a member. Shout out to all the members of the channel. I appreciate that, guys. Lisa, thank you. Public live stream folks, hit the like. Jason, I appreciate that, guys. All right, so SPY starting to move back up a little bit here. Apple stalling a little bit. Where's Tessie? Is Tessie making its way to that 200 there? No. Tessie got sharked off of 200 there. Bouncing off that 13. Nancy has earnings tomorrow. Be careful with it. The IV is going to be fucking nuts. You're leaning towards end of the year rally, or at least until FOMC. Okay, here's the deal with FOMC. Powell, when he talks, he's probably going to be hawkish as fuck. Because if you remember the statements from last time, Powell was essentially saying, like, they asked him about the market's reaction, and he was like, no, the market should not be reacting like this. Even though we're considering slowing the pace of rate increases, 50 is still significant, and the whole thing has changed. It's now no longer the question that we were asking before. It's how long are we going to be raising rates for? We do not know. It could be 4.5 terminal. It could be 5. It could be 7. We don't know. Does platform work well on a phone? Yes. Yes. I have a little bit of an announcement for you guys, though. Little baby one. Little baby one. Lots of folks wondering when to get back in after the multi-month drop. How does it look to me? Like dog shit, Gary. I didn't call you. Fuck, you're right, buddy. Sorry, broke the stoke. Saturday, I got sidetracked. No, Junior, I got some stuff for you. I know. Fucking, I always get sidetracked, bro. What is it here? Where's my stuff? No. There it is. Yeah, Carvana's a piece of shit, bro. There are many stocks that have sold off in this environment that are never going to come back. Like, people are going to see that. Like, normal buy the dip investors are going to be like, oh my God, it was at 376. It's at 650. What a deal. No, not a deal. Fucking piece of crap. Let's see. Market reacting jubilantly. Shooting to the moon. Powell, it really shouldn't be doing that. Yeah, so he might come in and start being like, hey guys, this is probably bad and we're still not where we need to be. Apple running back up. Hello. All right. Yeah, nothing crazy coming through the news feed. Let me check Walter. No, it's just the Sam Bankman-Fried stuff. Upgrades, downgrades, nothing crazy coming through right now. Let's see. Trump now has votes for the potential Speaker of the House. What? All right, man. This is going to be interesting. So, yeah, watch DWAC today. I mean, Trump is going to be giving an announcement. I would almost... I want to play the downside on it. It's too risky. Premium's going to be pumped. SPY's hanging on by a thread here. I don't know, man. This is going to be interesting. How much time we got left? 27 minutes to go until open. Here we go. Big Netflix upgrade. Ooh. Good morning, SB and everyone. You were late. You was glad to catch the live last night. Lots of great info. Yeah, we kind of made a boo-boo and accidentally went public for a second. But yeah, those one-on-ones were great. We want to make sure that you guys have the tools that you need. And if you are struggling, we're going to come in there and help you. IV is one of the highest in the market on DWAC when I was looking earlier. It's always super high on DWAC, bro. It's fucking crazy. Cristiano Ronaldo launched his first NFT collection with Binance. Fuck off, bro. Get your NFT bullshits out of here. Dump incoming? It might, man. It might. I don't know. We're hunting for it. Where's the dollar and the 10-year? Oh, weren't we looking at this level on the dollar too? Hold on. Yeah. So we talked about this in the video yesterday. The dollar still has a little bit more room to come down and touch this 200 EMA. It flashed it yesterday and bounced. Where were we looking? We were looking at 105 for some reason. I remember this 105 level. Is it this? Yeah, this. It's 105 on the dollar. Where's the 10-year? This is on the daily. What's this doing on the 5-minute? Okay, that's interesting. What's the dollar doing on the 5? Dollar coming back up here. D-Boy? No, I did not. I did not. Let's see. When is the next Wayne day? Soon. Hopefully soon. We'll get Wayne back on. SPY's teetering. FHA financial reserves rise to a record 142 billion. Record reserves give Biden administration room to trim mortgage insurance premiums. Let's see. Wayne did a one-on-one. Yeah, last night Wayne was on the one-on-one, which is good. We're gonna get him back on though. I think he got a little bit. I think he's getting there, but we're gonna get Wayne up to speed there. Ooh, 16 likes away from 102. We're getting there. Imagine we get to like 100, 150 before we even open. Dude, thank you, team. All right, let's see. How's SPY doing? RSI is kind of cooked. Losing that momentum here. It's a giant flag, but I don't know. PPI tech. Okay, so when I say PPI missed, I mean that it came in lower than expected. So it missed, and then that's technically bullish for the time being. USD audio could have been better, but I can hear you guys fine. Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll figure that out. I mean, with the new thing that we have with the number that you guys can call in with, I mean, you're good to go. Let's see. Part Shooter, thank you so much for the super. Can we start a donation YOLO play weekly? No. We don't have to do that, guys. You guys don't have to send in supers if you don't want to. Parts, I appreciate that, buddy, but you guys definitely don't need to be doing that. But Parts, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. Spine Q, you got Tuesday and Thursday contracts, pretty cool. 0 days every day. Yeah, I don't like that. That's gonna pump premiums across the board, I think. That's gonna be interesting. All right, folks. Did they add the Thursdays? No, I don't think they added Thursdays yet. I know they have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. I don't see the Thursdays yet, though. I don't see the Thursdays yet. Oh, you guys ran it up to 100 quick there. I appreciate that, team. Let's see. Two SPY YOLOs? Why? Wait, where did this come from? There's no way. Oh, interesting. We found more stuff. Cool. Don't forget to pay your mandatory like. Eddie, thanks, buddy. It'd be interesting to see if Apple can get above 153. All right. What else are you guys looking at? I'm probably going to be waiting for the reversal move. Does the SPY Nasdaq spike higher during OPEX this Friday? Sometimes it can. You can see a little bit more volatility as more premiums being circulated around. And it's a decent monthly expiration too with the November one. So you could end up seeing things flash around a little bit as people reposition themselves and the hedging comes in, but typically nothing crazy. Metamaterials? No, that thing is a piece of crap, bro. Again, a lot of things are running right now with the market, but the market's not going to continue up forever, so be careful. Why is the market excited? PPI. What about Amazon layoff news? That would actually pump them up a little bit. Which, I mean, you can see in the pre-market over here, they're up, but this is more based off of PPI. So when you see layoffs, it's technically bullish for the company because it's cost savings. So their margins can increase a little bit. Watching Netflix. Netflix can be a fun. Netflix had some upgrades today, didn't it? Netflix is back to 310. Holy fuck. Isn't that the gap? Didn't it fill the gap? Hold on. 330. It's getting there. It is getting there, man. $20 away from the gap. All right, 20 minutes to go. Leo, who? Let's see. Do stocks usually bounce off a big supportive resistance? Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the 200 EMA bounces we've seen a lot of, and the rejections off of the downside. I mean, we've played a lot of those. Did it? Oh, damn. Well, that's not good. Last weekend, I was talking with a guy who does Iron Condors, and he was like, it was like talking to someone from another planet. He loved Theta in 0 days. Many ways to play the game. Yeah, essentially when you're doing that, it's smart. I mean, you're essentially strangling it, but it's an invert. If you can think about it as like an inverted strangle with protection. So what an Iron Condor does is it halves your max loss and doubles your max gain. It versus if you were to just play a normal credit spread. So it's 2 credit spreads on either side. They're great for earnings if you're trying to play duds. Whew, all right, team. I need some liquid IV in my life, bro. Let's see. 401. I mean, it's at 402 right now. It could come down and crack 400. I mean, I think you're going to see a nice little run up and then death. That's what I'm looking for. But was just impressed that our no-nos were his favorites. Well, it makes sense that it is because he's playing the opposite way. Remember, our no-nos are essentially why his trades are able to make money. Because if you're playing 0 days most of the time, I mean, most people aren't able to just like crush it with 0 days. So you're basically selling those options to those people who are gambling. Warm up some tequila? No. Not warm. We're not throwing any tequila in the microwave, bro. That's not happening. Yeah, Apple looking pretty good here. Let's see if SPY wants to make that run to 405. This is going to be fun, man. Yeah, TSM is moving. Hit the add button? No. I'm late, Pepe. Netflix Shark. Are 0 days good? No. 0 days are how you blow up accounts, bro. Don't be fucking around with 0 days too much. Someone yesterday got 400,000 calls at the 72 level. Warren News shot. What? Oh, for TSM? Yeah. That's kind of nuts. They probably made a bunch of money there. Uh-oh, you guys hear those sirens? They're coming for us. We're about to steal more money from the market makers today. Let's do it. Orange tea with a tad of fireball. Dude, I fucking hate fireball shots. SPY sharking. New low after that pre-market move. 0 days are no. Pepe, stop it. Bad. All right. What do we got? 17 minutes here. Where's the dollar? Dollar's coming back up. 10 years moving back up here a little bit too. SPY slipping. Just Apple, hold. Hold or pop it open, and then I will ditch you. They're on to us. You're on a scholarship? Nice, Vin. There you go, buddy. Yeah, at least a week out, man. At least a week out. Let me see here. Oops. All right, team. Oh, you guys are killing it on the like button. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. Helps get these streams out to more people over here. Let's see. Netflix down. Vancy down. They're making me skip class to trade. The only person that was ever allowed to skip class was me. You guys are not allowed to skip class. I'm the only one that can do it. I held Apple overnight. Yeah. It's my hedge. Taking offense to that. I don't know. Dude, I don't know. I know I can do no class and be okay. I don't know if you can do no class and be okay. I didn't even know I graduated college until like 3 months after. I had no idea. I was like, well, this is pleasant news that I actually graduated. I just didn't know. Hold on. We're getting some news over here. Nope. Local officials report explosions in several areas of Ukraine as Russia carries out missile strikes. You have a 4.0. There you go. Well, the thing is, though, is that I was thinking the only thing that I was doing in my last semester was just pass. I didn't give a shit what my GPA was. Like, literally didn't care. I had no care. Apple 152. Netflix bouncing a little. All right, 14 minutes here, folks. Rick Rosa, that's a lesson that you have to learn, buddy. You can't be playing short time to expiration, man. It's just you got to learn. We tell you guys that all the time. You cannot be doing that. Let's see. What do we got going on over here? Dude, I am pumped for Helmo today. Playing those Invictus trades. Dude, if we start seeing reversals down, Invictus is going to be nasty. Let's see. I'll be back in a bit. Broke to soak. See you later, buddy. All right. What else we got here? More news. Fed's cook. Inflation is much too high. Focus for Fed is on addressing inflation. All right. So we're starting to see some Fed comments. Here we go. Let's see. Morning, SB. How have I been? I'm good. You guys see me every day. Let's see. All right. And we will do that announcement a little bit later after we get into the market here. But yeah, Apple up nicely. SPY up 1.6 here, kind of teetering on that 13 right now. Apple looking decent. Where's Tessie? Is Tesla just getting sharked over here? Tessie's been a lagger. Man, it's kind of hanging on to the 13 as well. How about a hedging video? Maybe, but we could, I mean, we could try to do it. Yeah, part shooter. You don't want to be doing that. Public Live Day? Today is Public Live Day, man. We are going to have some fun. All right, folks, let's see. Walmart Strangle crushed it. Nice, dude. Well, how much are they up now? 7? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about this one. That's going to be tight. I mean, it's up 5%. They were probably pricing in about 5, so I don't know about that one. If it was up at 149, yeah, but I don't know about that one. And then Home Depot was a dud. So Condors on Home Depot would have printed. It's down 0.63. That's the perfect scenario for an iron Condor. The card users have sent for 3 days on activity. Oh, dude, we're doing good, buddy. Yeah, need a huge move to overcome IV. Exactly. Exactly, man. All right, so we've got about 11 minutes to go until open. Let's see here. Dun, 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 dun. All right. Apple pumping back up there with the SPY not really doing much here. Interesting. So Apple looks pretty strong. Even with the SPY starting to get cracked down here. I mean, if it can get above 153, that would be interesting. Unless the SPY just knifes it open, which would be an interesting move. All right, 10 minutes to go here, folks. 10 minutes to go. Oh, 22 likes away from 152. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. Nancy moving around a little bit here, just kind of hanging around VWAP. Tessie trying to move back up a little here. Bleed the premiums before open. They might. Look at the premiums on a Netflix book for $11.25. Yeah, Netflix is expensive, man. Pre-market spike, PPI data. So it came in lower than expected. Clayton, I think you'll be fine there, bud. It's just moving with the market. That's all it is. Let's see. Neo and Baba. Baba has earnings this week, so you could see a little bit of Baba's up 11%, dude. Jesus. As Chinese tech stocks see optimism in the Biden Xi talks. Holy shit, dude. I mean, that's a chase, and they have earnings coming up this week, but Baba could be an interesting earnings play. Huh. That thing's a Jesus. This thing hit 58 and just now back at 79. Jesus. I mean, that kind of looks like AMD over here, too. AMD. Bring me to the promised land. Advantages, disadvantages for switching to a cash account. If you have less than 25K, you can trade with as much as you want as long as your funds are settled. I mean, the disadvantage is you can't sell spreads. That's about it. And you're not subject to PDT with a cash account. So that's a big plus there. All right, Apple chugging along here. Merch giveaway. Well, we'll get there. We'll get there. We're gonna have to figure out. That's gonna be a phase 1.5 conversation because we have phase 1 coming for you guys very soon. I hope you're ready. It's gonna be sick, and I have a little bit of announcement for you guys too. Covered call video. Oh shit! I still have to edit that one for you guys. I forgot about that. Pepe, good call. I have that. Yeah, I gotta edit that for you guys and then send it out. Sorry, I completely blanked on that one. Those are levered ETFs, Jarnell. Stay away from marriage, guys. Just saying, don't worry. We're not gonna go anywhere near that nonsense. You think 408-ish is the top for the next leg down? Yeah. Last night's stream was awesome. Christian, I appreciate that, man. Yeah, those one-on-one streams are always action-packed. He's getting an angle tattoo? No. Apple back up. Nice. All right, team. 7 minutes to go. I like it. Thoughts on AMD? It looks good. I mean, the only thing you got to worry about is NVIDIA earnings. So if NVIDIA tanks on earnings, it's going to take AMD down with it. But up 5% here. Jesus. I'm up a lot of money on AMD today already. Thank you. And Facebook and a lot of these other stocks. What's the big data that's coming out today? It already came out. It was PPI, Producer Price Index. Thoughts on TLT? It's not time yet. Not time for TLT yet. So TLT probably, yeah, it's teetering right around 100. Let's see. Info on them. You'd like to understand them? Okay, so SPXL is this. It's just 3 times levered bull. So this is not the SPX. It's the fund seeks daily investment returns before fees and expenses of 300% the performance of the S&P 500 index. It's levered. It's got a lot of swaps and bonds that underlie it in order to give that its leverage. They reset every day, so be very, very careful if you're swing trading it. It messes with options premiums. I probably would not touch a lot of that nonsense. But let's see here, team. Okay, so it is 5 minutes to go here. Ooh, things are slipping back lower. Ooh. Little flickery over here on the Apple. You want TLT in the 80s? Yeah, if it hits in the 80s, I'll probably buy a bunch of it. And then we'll start looking up that TLT. But we'll look more towards the TLT trade. How do I get into all those plays already? I'm talking about my long-term account for AMD. All right. Let's see. Yeah, Apple is slipping a little bit. It's still above the 13 there. It's hanging on to 152. I haven't seen it slip down below 152 yet. It might here though. Let's see. Walmart falling. Yeah, everything's slipping a little here. Let's buy back up a little bit. I'd love to see Apple just break out, run up to here, and then die. That'd be interesting. Same thing with SPY. Run up a little bit and then get killed. PPI was 0.2% month over month versus 0.4. And then I believe it was 8% year over year versus 8.3. There goes Apple slipping lower. Three minutes, team. All right, here we go. Tessie looks like it could be a little spicy today. Back up on Apple. Where's the dollar? Dollar still running up there. 10-year doing the same thing. Where do I post my trades? I don't post my trades. That's the follow trading nonsense is terrible. That's you lose that way. Because one, it's delayed. Two, most people that are doing that are just dumping on you. We teach you exactly how to do it and give you the most powerful tools that retail investors have. Invictus is nasty, bro. The new updates that we made to Invictus are filthy. What was it? 86% success rate yesterday? Nasty, bro. And most people that do that have large communities, what they do is they'll buy the deep out of the money contracts before you, and then they'll alert it to everybody, and then you'll pump the premiums and they'll just dump on you. And they just rinse and repeat. So be very, 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 very careful with that. All right, 2 minutes to go. Nancy knifing. Yeah, Nancy coming down to that 48 there. All right. Dude, we are 6 likes away from 152 before the market even opens. Fuck yeah, team. Sam Lee, 100%, buddy. We can teach you how to trade. Exactly. And then you become an absolute monster like the rest of the people in there with us. You become a DM Ohio. Apple back up there. Nope, flickering around. SPY did a little VWAP test there. Is this one public? It is. It is public. It's public live day, baby. You're going to be seeing a lot of us today. Let's see. 1348 is truth. Jason, I appreciate that, buddy. Yeah, it is. You're going to hear a lot of people that just are like, no. Blah, blah, blah. The only people that are like angry about it are the ones that aren't in it. We've changed the game for retail investors with our algorithms and everything like that. Yeah, we have the alerts and everything, but Pythagoras, Trader Joe, and Invictus are revolutionary, first of their kind, and they are nasty. Nancy slipping down to that 48 here. SPY kind of flickering around. Apple still hanging out above 152 here, but less than a minute to go. Here we go. Ding, ding, ding. Market is open. Let's see. What in the shit? SPY running up. Apple making a nice move there. What the? What is this? Yeah, confirm. I gotcha. Fuck off. Thank you. Cool. I like it. Oops. All right. So I ditched most of the hedge. We'll see what happens later today. Your call was up over 100%. Nice. There you go. All right. Things are moving around a little bit here. Nancy kind of hold it. Tessie shooting up a little bit there. Ooh, I like this. Yeah, the apples were up like 85, 90% when I ditched it. Let's see. I left a little bit of it just to have a little bit of upside exposure in case this thing really starts to get crazy. I wasn't paying attention to the time yesterday and see a 395 call, so I bought it. Market ended. Oh, you must be printing right now, buddy. Yeah, there goes Apple a little bit. Let's see if these hedges really go nuts. Yep, there goes Apple. Nice. There goes SPY. I like it. I like it. Yeah, these are up a lot now. So I still have a little bit of upside exposure on this, which is kind of sweet. We'll see what happens with this, though. I'll probably leave this one for a while. If it wants to run up to here, cool. SPY flickering a little. The hedges are up like 114% right now, 115, 116. So I'll throw that on the Instagram for you guys so you can see it. Let's see here. Bing. Yeah, this is an interesting move up here. So I'll probably be hunting the rejections for later in the day today just to kind of see where we're going to get to. Let's see, what are these at? 118%. Cool. Yeah, so those are on the Instagram for you guys if you want to go see it, and I'll follow all you guys back there too. But let's see what we're going to get today. I'm really hunting for the rejections later in the day. I probably won't do that much this morning. SPY Strangle portfolio up 6.27%. Fuck yeah. There you go. I think rejection is better. Yeah, it makes more sense to do so. These hedges are kind of sweet, dude. Can't chase this crap. I agree with you. I'm not chasing this thing to the upside today. I mean, remember, I already have a little bit of upside exposure. So if it's going to go, cool. If it's not, whatever. You're about to get a new 5-minute candle here as well. Tessie flashing around. Nancy not doing much. Where's AMD? Feds Harker, my best guess is he will remove about 2.5 trillion from the balance sheet. But data will guide us. Interesting there. AMD. If you held some of your 384, 365 CPI string for 11 team, those costs would be so dumb right now. Oh, yeah, they would, Sam. They would, buddy. All right, let's see. Where's the dollar? Dollar's bouncing. Dollar's running up pretty good here. 10 years running up pretty good here, too. Watch out on the market here. There goes a new candle. Apple but VWAP. Let's see. Feds Harker, we want to reduce the balance sheet methodically until we start to see where we need to stop. SPY pop. Apple pop. Where do I monitor the dollar? The dollar index, Dixie, DXY. Let's see here. Took 100% of your Walmart call portion of the strangle. Now waiting on the drop to get out of your put. It's free. Moto, smart man there. Here comes Apple. Let's see. All right, team. Keep hitting that like button on the way in if you guys have not already. Helps out a whole lot with the algos over here. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. I got a little special announcement for you guys in a little bit too, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Apple looking decent over here. I mean, it hit that high of 153.22. You're really looking to see if we can get to 155. That's kind of what you're looking at for the big level on Apple. This little level up here, 154.73. If the market can continue higher, which we will see if it wants to do. Nancy is slipping a little lower here. AMD, same deal. Tessie, what's going on with this? Holding. Let's see. Yeah, Apple slipping, SPY slipping a little here. I mean, when these big candles shoot off, it kind of fucks things up across the board. Let's see. Mike, stop with this nonsense, bro. You're gonna get timed out for your political shit in my live chat. I don't care. Go think about what you've done and then come back and be a productive member of the live chat. None of this. Short it so we can take down this. No. Ooh, that's some selling pressure over there. SPY now slipping a little. See, this is interesting now. This is interesting now. Let's see what we get here. Where's Netflix? Wasn't Netflix getting those upgrades today? Yeah, Netflix trying to run a little here. I mean, actually, hold on. What are these priced at? I believe those are 10 days out. Ooh. Ooh. That's tempting. Let's see here. Yeah, I mean, watch the SPY at the 13. If it cracks, you're going to see 400 quick. New PC chair? There you go. Yeah, Netflix getting a little jumpy there. I see. I like these. Those look like fun. I would love this hedge to go fucking nuts, though, but we'll see. Waiting for Helmo. We can see some action today. I think so, too. Neo's tanking is Baba because Baba was up a fuckload. We didn't look at... Yeah, Neo's coming down, bouncing off that 200 there. Where's Baba? Baba's still looking like it wants to head up here. Hit a high of 80. 80.06. Not bad. Yeah, Helmo today. New Invictus is going to be filthy. I think later in the day towards where the time we're going to get into these rejections with. Remember, when you're using Invictus, make sure you're keeping an eye on SPY and where those 200 EMAs and those key levels of support and resistance are. Invictus is going to be able to guide you through all of these moves, but you still have to use some common sense here. All right, Nancy bounced back up a little bit here. Let's see. SPY starting to move a little bit. Apple, nothing crazy. Oh, yeah, I'm not touching BABA to the upside. When's the new bot coming out? What new bot? There is no new bot. Well, there is, but those are going to be part of phase 1 and 2 of platform release. There goes BABA up. But we've already given you guys, so new and updated Invictus is already live for all of you guys. You're personally going 3 weeks on Invictus so I can let the play develop without having to worry about getting stopped out. Very smart. Yeah, you already have Helmo. There goes SPY slipping below the 13 here. Okay, thank you. No problem, buddy. This is interesting. Fed's hardcore crypto finance is not at this point a threat to wider financial stability. There goes Apple with a nice little pop. Those contracts are back over 100%. Yeah, I threw those on the Instagram over here. So if you guys want to see that, those are a little bit nutty. Oh yeah, I'll follow you guys back too. Sorry, I forgot about that. Bing, bing. Nope. Selling off. Let's see what happens with SPY here. Is Helmo on day alerts too? No. That's Pythagoras. Pythagoras is slightly different. The logic is slightly different. We're gonna tweak it a little bit, I think. And use a similar like frame of logic on Pythagoras. If we want to update it, we just have to backtest it. And it'll take a little bit longer to backtest it because remember it's on the daily time frame. Dollar's running. Dude, I know. The dollar's been running up here. So is the 10-year, I think. Yeah, the 10-year's been moving here too. There goes SPY. There goes Apple. Apple running up nicely there. See, what I really want on SPY is it to run hard up to like 405. And then you can really start hunting for rejections. Neo puts, did it break the 200? Nope. Come on, guys. Follow the rules. Come on. Come on. Follow the rules, team. You're waiting for the downside, just sitting on your hands till I get those indications. Cody, smart. Very, very, very smart move there. All right, let's see here. Dude, you guys are killing it on the like button today. Thank you, team. Shout out to the morning crew. This is public live day, so shout out to all you guys coming through. It's good to see you guys. And then we'll be live again today at 12:15. And then make sure you guys go say hi to Gabe today when he goes public too. That'll be a fun one. Tesla nutty. Yeah, I haven't really been taking a look at Tesla. Where is it? Is it running? Oh, there you go. Yeah, rejecting right off my level here. Man, Apple looks fucking strong, dude. Good morning, SCV. What's up, Stout? How you doing, man? If really you're looking to get into Neo calls. Honestly, I'm not really looking to chase anything to the upside here, upside or downside. I'm just kind of waiting around. If Neo breaks here and you start to see the SPY actually confirm down, yeah, that could be a nasty trade for it to fall down another 40 cents. Apple on a mission. Got to break the high. You took 8% on largest Oxy position overnight for you. Crush. Premium pays again. There you go. There you go, buddy. Yeah, so here comes Apple a little. Up a nice little 115% on those hedges. Nice. I mean, I've already sold most of the hedges, but Apple calls at 29%. Nice, squirrel. Nice, buddy. Parts. No, he'll be live from his channel. He's gonna start making YouTube videos again. Don't worry. He's waiting for something. He's waiting for something. Don't worry. He's coming back. All right, let's see here. Let's see. Check Oxy. Dude, I haven't traded Oxy in forever. Is oil ripping? Oh, Oxy's selling off hard there. What's oil at today? What's actually natural gas at? That's what I'm most curious about. Down 0.35. Oil's down. WTI's down 1.46. Brent's down 1.33. Interesting. I mean, if Apple breaks this 153.22 high, it could get a little nuts. SPY's coming down here. Hello. And Apple's holding nicely. Oh boy, hello. Well, this is an interesting turn of events. Let's see. Cassie. 1 minute SPY cross down? It might be, but it's still probably above the 200. Yeah. You could try and play it down to the 200, but I would say that it's pretty risky there. I'm probably waiting until later in the day to try to play a reversal. It looks like right now. So Arvin, if you're in there, it looks like we're in for a chop day. Now, if you end up cracking and selling hard, then that will change. But it does look like a chop day right now. Let's see. Yeah, again, knowing when not to take trades and when to take trades is just as important as knowing when not to take trades is just as important, and knowing when to trade. Let's see. MACD still too high above neutral. I agree with you there, Algo. Too early for a crack. Hey, man. Funny you say that, as I was watching today and thought SCV would probably say today's a chop day. Yeah, Arvin. That's what it's looking like here, pal. I mean, it's coming down now. Neo looking like next leg soon. You got 3 minutes left for this candle to close. Because then what you can do is play it down below here and then risk the 200 or view up. Right now, it's almost too close. Kind of look at Cat. Yeah, Caterpillar. That looks like it's about to sell off here too. It's almost too early to say. It looks like the market wants to come down a little bit, but there are things that are holding it up. So it's slipping a little bit here. Watch 450. The low is 449 right now. There is no talk at 10. There is a talk at 10. Sorry, you're right. Michael Barr testifies on regulation at Senate banking. So where's that Neo? Watch that Neo play out. So let's see what happens with this here. You got 2 minutes to go on that candle. Oh, man. Guys, we are 13 likes away from 200. Thank you, team. I appreciate that. All right, SPY is now slipping. Apple's holding up really well here. Jesus. Baba coming down. Baba was up a fuckload. Yeah, there Baba goes. SPY selling here. So I guess the PPI reaction was mostly pre-market? Yes, it was. That's kind of what we were expecting too. Maybe I will nibble here. Hey. Thank you. Wait, what the fuck? Why are you doing this? I can't believe you've done this. Why is this not? What the fuck, bro? Weeble, why are you fucking around again, bro? Yeah, okay. Would you play SPY if it breaks the 48? It's not the worst idea in the world there, man. But and it, again, that's also that support level there too. That could be interesting. Thoughts on DWAC with the announcement today? I'm probably staying very far away, just because it looks like it's going to be a buy the rumor, sell the news. So careful. That's what it appears to be. So we'll see what happens. Apple getting that crack there. Baba slipping a little lower here as well. My money says it's sell the news. That would make a lot of sense. It just depends on what the announcement is. We don't know what it is yet. Nancy not doing a lot here. Let's see. Yeah, so in 9 minutes, we get that Senate Banking Committee talk, but we'll see what happens. All right. SPY kind of hanging around here. Got burnt badly on DWAC last spring. It's one to stay away from. Okay, most of the time when things start getting really hot on social media, it's time to get the fuck away. That's almost 99% of the time. It's time to get the fuck out. Apple starting to slip. Let's see if SPY. Yeah, SPY did bounce off that 48 here, but if it slips through, that would be an interesting move. Let's see. Baba slipping. SPY not really doing much here. Announcing another future announcement. He could. All right. Everything's moving pretty slowly right now. Nothing too crazy is happening. Ooh, the algorithm's pretty flat today. That's nice. Kind of flatlined over there on the algo that I'm running. That's pretty sweet. Check out Microsoft. Yeah, let's take a look at that. Oh, yeah, Microsoft does look interesting to the downside here. Yeah. I mean, you're really waiting for that break of the 200. It could easily bounce off of there. SPY moving back up a little bit. So 2 minutes to go until a new candle. SPY wants to come back up a little. Cool. The day Elon won an SNL is the day that Doge died. Okay, fair. Lightning Johnny, you are getting banned. We're not doing the political bullshit on this channel over here. If you want to be a productive member of the live chat, we're not going to try and do that fucking bullshit. The collective nonsense, get it out of here. That's not what we do around here, pal. All right, team. Announcing an announcement about announcing an announcement. Yeah, probably. All right, Microsoft is slipping here. SPY not doing a lot. That's it. You're banned. Yeah, that's how that works. We can't, like, what are we doing over here, people? We're trying to make money. I don't give a shit about anybody's political bullshit agenda. Literally couldn't give less of a fuck. And I've been seeing a lot of messages like that too. If they keep coming back in, they're just going to get banned. Apple puts engage. Why? Ape Scrotus. That is not following any of the rules there, pal. Oops, sorry. All right, you got a minute left till a new candle. Let's see. You got that nice bounce off the 48. Let's see where it wants to go. I tell my mother-in-law that's it. You're banned. All right, team. Keep hitting that like on the way in. Helps it a whole lot with the algos over here. Let's see what we get today. SPY getting sold into a little bit here, right around 450. Let's see if they try to hold this thing up above 400. Apple knifing. It's got a decent candle there. You're about to get a new 5-minute candle here as well. Nancy slipping down a little lower. Nancy does look like it wants to die here. SPY bouncing a little. Let's see. What else? I mean, what else do we have coming out today? Well, hold on. What is the rate hike probability change to? Was it 83? What's it at now? 85.4. Okay. It's just really been flickering between those levels there. 85.4, 83. SPY rimming the 13. I probably wouldn't play the rim if it's on the wrong side of the 48. Does theta go up throughout the day or just overnight? Well, theta is affecting your contracts throughout the day. Because remember, time is not like stair stepping. Time is continual or perpetual or whatever you want to call it. So Apple's trying to fight its way back up to VWAP here. Again, a lot of things are doing this. So Nancy coming back to that 13 here. This is interesting. Jessica, yeah, the problem is that some of those indicators are going to get messed up by this candle here. So what you're really looking for is more so playing level. So you almost need the break of the 48 here on the SPY because this jacked up everything. As soon as Dixie crosses, it dies. Well, if Dixie can get back above its 200, yeah, you could see it run a little. But it's sharking right now. Tesla looks good for a call. Let's take a look at Tesla. That's 2 tests of resistance there. Here's the problem with Tesla right now. So you're tapping that level of resistance, which is great, but you also have this one at 199.87. Here, everything starts to move back to the upside there. So, yeah, it doesn't look terrible. But I'd be a little careful of it. SPY popping, Apple popping. There you go. Yeah, Apple popped there. Let's see. I would almost you're just right at this level right here, dude. Let's see. It might break. That 200 breakout on Tessie could be interesting. And Bob risking the 5-minute 48. Just don't like how the SPY is moving to the downside. Yeah, that's not the worst idea in the world there. I mean, you have this support level at 77.39 or basically 77.50. If it breaks that and it runs all the way down to the 200 at 75.50, that could be a big trade. But then you're in the gap. Apple moving up. Did Tessie end up breaking or no? Tessie's trying to break here. It's more so playing the levels on Tesla here. So you're breaking the level, but if you were already in it off of this 48, you're up. It's $4 on actual stock. I would be a little careful with it now. Remember, use that stop loss strategy, team. It's there out for you. You're good to go. Let's see. Eric, I think it's going to be after hours today. But yeah. SPY long here. I'd be careful with that. Could it run up a little bit? Yeah, it could get all the way up to this 404.50 or 405 level. Squirrel's got it at 407, which would be very interesting, but we'll see. Tessie would need to break 200. Apple would really need to get up here to help it out. Waiting for Invictus. Smart. Where's that video on the stop loss strategy? It's on my channel. It's called the most profitable, or it's called How to Steal from Market Makers, the most profitable stop loss strategy. Let's see. All right, team. Let's see what we're going to get. It is almost 10. Let's see. I feel like we could do the announcement here too very quickly, and we'll talk about it a little bit later. So, team, little announcement. So, did I ever make the video about cover calls? Yes. I just have to edit it and send it out to you guys. But here is the little announcement. Get ready. So, we are about to unveil something very, very, very big to everybody pretty soon. You guys saw a sneak peek of it yesterday. But there's a lot more things coming. Now, since a lot of you guys have been with us for a while, we want to reward you guys for your loyalty to us. So everybody that is in our community right now will have access. Once we go live, we'll send this out to you guys in there to a 50% lifetime discount to our new revolutionary service. Now, it's going to have everything that you guys have access to right now, plus a bunch more. So if you guys want to hop in there, if you guys aren't already, again, we are already the best place to come and learn how to trade. The results speak for themselves at this point. You guys see everybody printing all the time. We get these live streams every single morning, but that link is in the top of the live chat, and I just threw it in the chat there as well. So if you guys do want to get that lifetime 50% off discount, and you're not in there yet, hop in there with us. But we have some really, really crazy things coming over the next year for you guys. So get ready. Get ready. So it's going to be 50% off about the price that you guys see there. So if you guys want to hop in, again, Invictus and Pythagoras are the most powerful tools that retail investors have on the market. So again, the price is going to come out publicly at a different price than what all of you guys that are already in there with us are going to be able to have access to. So again, if you want to join anyway, hop in there with us. You'll get that little bonus of getting that lifetime 50% off discount. But again, guys, we want to make sure that you guys have the tools to actually make money in this market and not listen to all of this hopium bullshit that people are leading you to the slaughter with. So we have a lot of crazy things coming. If you guys want to take your trading to the next level, let's do it, man. Let's get in there. Apple running up there, SPY running up, Tessie looking to break there. One lump sum. No. You essentially get the 69ers. No, the current one. Jack said the current price that you see. So everybody that's already in there will have access to that discount. If not, and you guys want to join after, there will be some other things that you guys can get access to as well. But again, those of you guys that have been with us since January when we've been changing the game for retail investors, let's do it. So is this more? No, less, Jeremy. Less, buddy. So let's do it, dude. And we have there's a couple of things in there that we haven't showed you guys yet that are pretty nuts. John, no, it's not. How would it go up from that? No. It's going down for only the you guys that are in there. We just want to make sure that you guys have, since you guys have been with us, and you've basically given us the ability to create this really, really, really cool system and product for you guys, that we're going to continue to make it even better. We have so many crazy things in the works for you guys. And we want to make sure that all of you guys that have been with us for a while, we kind of give back to you guys. But Jeremy, no. It's going to be, what do you call it? It's off of the current price that's there. How is this so confusing? I don't know. But again, guys, the only way to have access to that is if you're in there before. So if you guys want to hop in, cool. If not, perfectly fine too. You can wait for the higher price that is going to come out when we release it to the public. Will it automatically update? No, we will show you guys how exactly to transfer over when that time comes, which is very soon. Let's see. Nicky, no, stop confusing people. No. Ape Scrotus. Guys, it's off of the current price that is currently listed. So 96. It's gonna come out so you guys will all get 49. That's what it is. It's 49. So everybody in there, that's what you guys will get. This is not confusing. Yo, it's not released yet. But I wanted to let you guys know that everybody that's already in there is going to have access to that promotion when it goes live very soon. So it'll be 117. How would it be 117? How do you guys suck at math so much? It's going to be 49. You guys are so bad at math. How does this happen? We traded the market all day long. Apple new highs. There you go. Just playing, dude. You people. But yeah, I mean, we have right now, remember we made that tweak to Invictus. That thing is hitting between 80 and 95% success rate. Half of 96 is 48, by the way. Oh, it's fucking okay. Fine. So maybe I'm bad at math, but it's about 50. And there's going to be extra stuff added in there later too. Pepe, there you go. What do you mean, you people? Yes, Skidmark. That's how it will work. If you're already in there, if you're in there with us now, yes. If you're not in there with us now, you will have a different price. So, if you guys want to hop in there with us, lifetime. We're gonna So there'll be a lifetime option, and then there'll also be a quarterly as well. So sign up now, transfer over at another date. Yeah, it'll be soon. We're gonna be on it very soon. So get ready, team. All right, folks. So everything's kind of flickering around now. Apple made those new highs there. Very nice. Nancy bounced out of this level here. Very nice as well. Let's see if SPY wants to continue higher. Before you said it was gonna be no, we didn't. It's 49. 49. Ryan, it came in at 0.2 versus 0.4. 0.2 versus 0.4. Dude, Apple is strong as fuck this morning. Jesus. Look at SPY die right here, and Apple's just like, nah, no thanks. Tessie slipping. Let's see. All right. Tessie bouncing off support here. Logan, for now it does. For the time being. Isn't the main report on the no, that's PCE is what they like. 48.96%. Okay, so 48.96% then. Yeah, a lot of interesting action over here. These Apple hedges are up 119. Baba about to cross? Oh, it came down that much? Sam, how are those Babas doing? Oh, you were risking the 48 there. Uh-oh. This thing's flashing around. Is this a public stream? It is a public stream, Jarnell. It is, my man. Today is public live day. Oh my God. You guys are just weird with the math. Let's see. But glad you risked the 48 perfect rejection. Yeah. Selling off there a little bit. Baba just moves around like a crazy person. Dude, Apple looks fucking strong here. The hedges are up 122%, 123. That's cool, I guess. Like, that's cool and all. It's public, so you're on your best behavior. We've seen no nonsense this morning either. I like it. You guys have been very, very, very well behaved. I appreciate you guys. Altria? What's up with Altria? Oh, Altria selling off. Is there Juul news? I don't think so. Nonsense. Thanks, Clap. Appreciate that, buddy. Do you ever enter a play when the price is between the 13 and 48? Sometimes. Did you tell them about the lifetime member cost? Well, That's not 100% confirmed. It's very close to confirmed though. Let's see here. SPY is slipping down. Apple doesn't give a flying fuck right now. That's hilarious. Oh, Clap's been a member for 9 months. Congrats on the YouTube, baby. All right, here comes SPY slippity slipping. Apple's like, nope. What a hedge there. What a freaking hedge. That's why I was confused. I thought this was a private stream. No, it's public today. That's why the likes matter a little bit more. We are 30 away from 250 as well, team. Thank you. I appreciate that. Dude, Apple, if SPY comes back to the upside here, Apple could get very jumpy. Oh, here comes Apple. Those are up 130 now. 131%. Thank you. Apple boom booms. Let's see here. Been a member since second week of January. Been participating since December 21. Awesome, man. Dude, you guys that have been with us for a while, shout out to you guys. The OGs, man. Let's see. Yeah, that's why we wanted to kind of do our best to kind of give you guys a special offer. Everybody that's in there right now is going to get that 49 offer. If not, it'll be higher when it comes out. But it's pretty fucking sweet. Let's see. All right, folks. Let's see. Jack said no. When does it start? Very soon. Very, very, very soon. And again, once it's fully timed to get going, you guys will have a lot more information about it. All of you guys in there got a little bit of a sneak peek into what we've been doing yesterday. And even that is just like a tiny sliver of what we have coming for you guys. Levels for AMD. Here we go. Let's see. 79.20 right around there is one nice little zone there. So if it breaks, it's basically between 79 and 80. If it breaks 80, you can see it run a little bit there. And these Apple hedges are so sweet. Let's see. Which room is the preview in? It was in the live stream with Gabe yesterday. Dude, Apple looks strong as shit here. So if SPY bounces, that could get nutty. If it sells off, though, I mean, Apple's been holding nicely. We'll see. Personal trading bot? Well, I got something cooking for you guys. Don't worry. Don't you worry. I got something cooking. I got a lot of things up my sleeve. Let's see here. 1 minute till another 5-minute candle here. Been here since Rogue found out he was going to be a dad. Oh, yeah. I was talking to Rogue the other day. Let's see. Let's see here. Are the alerts still there? Don't see them on mine. The alerts are always still there. Just there's nothing alerting right now because, I mean, you've already seen everything almost cross to the upside there. The alerts are all still there. You got everything. Yeah, they're all there. Don't show too much. I see a lot of people lurking. Dude, a lot of people like to try and copy what we do because they don't have the intellectual capability to come up with things on their own, which is fine. I mean, they're just always going to be 10 million steps behind. I mean, the things that we have had cooking for a while, I mean, we haven't told anybody. So the things that we have coming are pretty crazy. And then the next round of things is even crazier. So it just keeps getting better and better. We always try and one up the things that we've done in the past. Invictus and Pythagoras were really awesome. The new stuff is going to be really great, though. Do I ever use the 1 minute for alert spy printed a put? I'll use it as a confirmation, but nothing like I'll reference the 1 minute, but I probably won't trade the 1 minute crosses. Baba put. Sam. I mean, you're right at this support level here. I'd be careful on Baba. Unless this thing just knifes hard with the spy, it's gonna struggle a little bit. I've been here since I thought Jack's dad was Jack's dad. No, he's not. My dad doesn't have enough time to sit around the live streams all day long. Yeah, you said Invictus at a 90 to 95% hit rate. On some days it is, but it's usually between about 75 to 90. Very rarely it'll be 75. It's more so I say 75 to give you the low end of it, but it's normally between 80 and 95 around there. That's usually the range that new Invictus is predicting on. It depends on the day. Yesterday was 86%. Yeah, yesterday was 86% accuracy on Invictus. I'm telling you, man, that thing's a fucking monster. Let's see. Oops. Where is he? Oh, there he is. All right, Spy's flickering around. Same thing with Apple here. Pepe. Are all the original mods gone? Yeah, most of them, yeah. Some of them got to stay, but a lot of them, no. Have I been hedging a lot more lately? Well, when I hold anything overnight, it's either a tiny position or it's hedged. Spy just flattening out. It is. It looks like a chop day, like we were talking about with Arvind earlier. That's what it looks like right now. We'll see. I mean, if it gets that break above VWAP and starts running towards the highs again, Apple could get a nice little floop right up, but we'll see. Let's see. But now I'm at 96. Adam, you probably left and came back. Do I have a video on how to do a strangle? Yes, but I wouldn't be trying to fuck with them too much. Guys, remember, 1348 is the most profitable EMA crossover strategy. And when you combine all of our rules, then you add our proprietary trading algorithms and alert systems onto it, it becomes even more powerful. You don't need to be fucking around with strangles. You really don't need it. You can if you want to have some fun, if you want to have some exposure to things overnight, but it's not something that you really need to be doing all the time. Let's see. Well, I hit my 1% today with quick sell, so I'm done for the day. Yes, good, Arvin. That's perfect. Fitch Trader, if you pay yearly, yeah. I mean, if you pay yearly though, it wouldn't make then any sense to then get the discount if you want to come in. So if you come in, everybody that's in there right now gets that 49 offer. Well, once it goes live very soon. Affirm's breaking out. Affirm got a nice candle to the upside there. SPY selling a little bit there. Nothing crazy, but it is starting to melt down. So we have to re-sign up to the new thing. Yes, you will have to. We'll send you guys all the instructions for that when it's time very soon. Do I still use the 30 EMA? Nah, not really. Rayans, what's up, buddy? How you doing? Yeah, SPY starting to melt down a little bit here. That break of 400 could be interesting. Dude, Apple just doesn't give a fuck. Change for monthly, we'll say. The offer will be for the monthly only. Break VWAP on SPY and write it down to the 200. I mean, it's already broken VWAP. You need to break the 48 in this. Basically, 400 is what you need to break. I need some help. I just got litigation. The Union of the Like Button Association of Firing Harassment Assault Charges. Corey, that's gonna be for only the members that have been with us for a while. Anybody that's in our community right now gets access to that 49 deal when we release the new platform. Apple finally slipped. Let's see. Dude, it is Taco Tuesday. I kind of want to go again. I really do want to go to Taco Tuesday again. Tyler, very soon. Very soon. That's another test of the 48 here on the SPY. Huh. Ha 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 ha. Cali has the best tacos. I feel like Mexico would have the best tacos, but I could be wrong. I also don't really want to go to California, but it is what it is. All right, folks. Woo, we are 21 likes away from 250. I appreciate that, team. Yeah, if you guys haven't already, hit that like button on the way in. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram too. We're gonna again, as well as everything else that we have coming, we're gonna have some fun stuff on the Instagram too. So make sure you guys follow me over there if you guys haven't already. I did put that into the live chat. I will follow all you guys back right now that do it before we end up doing something else a little bit later today. But yeah, I have that. What do you call it? That Apple Play on my story too, which is pretty sweet. Let's see. We need to go get tacos. I'll go. Perfectly fine, buddy. To go to Denver, you want to go to San Diego? Dude, taxes are going to murder you, bro. Apple back up. Affirm looks interesting here. I mean, it is breaking out. You need it above the highs, though. Like, this is... Nothing's really catching my eye today. I think it's more so like you're waiting to see how the market's going to digest everything. Did you know that Chipotle gives out a gift card of 1 year's worth of Chipotle? What? How much is that? I should buy one of those and then eat Chipotle every day. How much is that? Because I would literally eat it every single day. Oh, what's up, Instagram people? How you guys doing? Nice little bounce here. Apple didn't really get the bounce that I would expect it to off of that. Guess who was right on DWAC? What'd it do? Oh, there she goes. SPY bouncing a little there. Is there a VWAP video? I think Gabe has a VWAP video. If you want to watch that. Where's Tesla? Getting there, but here we go. This is just sideways chop. I agree. The only thing I'm watching is 400 on SPY, and that's the whole market. Everything is being run through SPX, it seems. Yeah, it does. So you're really just chopping around. That's the second bounce off the 48 there. You're now back above VWAP, which is interesting. Let's see if this wants to get a little action here. Apple needs to help it. Tessie needs to help it. And it's not really getting that help there that it needs. Where are these insane moves coming? Oh, you mean this fucking thing right here? This thing? This fucking candle? Let's see. You did a little scalping. Now I'm just waiting on Invictus. There you go. No game does a WAP video. No. No. Don't say that. Don't say that. Let's see. Oh, I'm feeling the nonsense starting to pick up in the chat. We do have a no nonsense policy. If you violate it, you're gonna get put on the steps. Ryan. I'm sorry. I cannot do it with these high yield things. I can't do it. It's just just make all the money you want. Please be safe. Not for me. You need to trade more with Invictus, but on paper, I didn't do well on your cash account, but I know people do well with it. Dude, it's fire. Invictus is no, you have to use some more, like you have to still know where the levels are, where the 200s are. Like some of the plays don't necessarily make sense to trade, but a lot of them do. And again, use that stop loss strategy combined with it, and you're going to be good to go, man. Oh, DM Ohio is here. What's up, buddy? TTD, the trade desk. The premiums are going to be, whoa, TTD's at 52. What the fuck? All right. I would say watch the 48 EMA on the daily, 53.74. That's where I would watch for it. I see moving up a little bit. Corey, it's on my channel still. You took advantage of the situation. That's fine. I just can't. It's just like the whole me knowing finance is literally gonna scream at me. No. Up a solid 69.69% on Tesla. Nice, dude. There you go. All right. SPY starting to move up here a little bit. Apple doing its thing. I mean, Tessie is breaking out above 200, or it's not breaking out, but it broke a 200 for the second time. So let's see if it runs up to the highs. It looks like it wants to right now. SPY starting to move up a little bit. Let's see. Up 2% on the portfolio on DWAC. Fuck yeah, Clayton. There you go, buddy. Yeah, I'm up today. Let's see what it was. 3.62%. Let's see if we can run that up a little bit more. All right, team. So, guys, it is 10:28 a.m. So this is about the time that we always wrap up these morning streams. Again, guys, if you wouldn't mind, hit that like button on the way out. And if you do want to hop in there with us and get access to the most powerful trading tools available for retail investors right now, the only profitable proprietary trading algorithms available to retail. I'll throw that link in there for you guys too. Again, those of you guys that are in there before we go live with platform are going to get access to that 49 lifetime monthly deal. So team, if you want to take your trading to the next level and hop in there with us, our awesome community. Holy DM Ohio. Thank you so much for the memberships, my man. Holy shit, dude. Thank you. Dude, look at all these people. Let's see. Tampa Bay, Rob Q, Eddie, Christian, Leo. Oh, wait, it wasn't Leo. Daily, Detective Popcorn, Topic, Justin, Jehovah. Damn, DM did well this morning. Of course you did. Dude, DM, thank you, buddy. I appreciate that. But yeah, guys, if you want to hop in there with us, now's the time. You're going to get access to that special deal once we release very, very, very soon. And again, even other than that, you're going to see just the amount of crazy things that we have in there. So again, if you missed the link as it was coming through, it's pinned to the top of the live chat. Again, guys, Gabe's going to be coming on in a minute too. So hopefully you guys go over there and see him. I'll be back on at 12:15, and then Gabe and I will be public later today. So team, hit that like on the way out. I'll see you guys later. Let's go make some more fucking money. Peace.